Hey, Brian here with ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, now I am bringing in the SCX Advance system. All right. Now, everybody tells me I shouldn't do it. A lot of people aren't even buying it, but I think it's the greatest system on earth. It's called the SCX Advance. They've got one set coming out with 2 Le Mans cars, it looks like. Mercedes AMG and an Audi R8. Okay. They're going to be in about February. And what we're doing is, because we're going to be selling the chips also, there's version 1 chip. Version 1 chip, or chip A, is for all the older cars. Cars from probably 2006 all the way to 2011 when SCX went out of business. And all the cars that Aduca made. All right? That is chip A. Chip B are all the new cars that the new company is making. The new SCX company. So if you pre-order an SCX Advance set, the SCX Advance set, the E10283, we're going to give you a version A chip absolutely free. We're just going to give you one to do the pre-order. That's going to be like a $30 value, okay? Yes, I know I'm losing money, but I want to get you into the hobby because after you're hooked, I've experienced it 10 years ago in SCX Digital. Once customers were hooked, they were just hooked. It was so fun. Okay, so you're going to get one free chip free when you buy or pre-order an SCX Advance set. Okay, now, how do you pre-order an Advance set? You send an email to ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, or no?
Just go online and order it, add to cart, and buy.
Yeah, but they're going to have to buy it, and then I'm not going to ship it till February. They're paying $159. Why should they be spending $159 and not get a product for 2 months? I wouldn't do that.
That's called pre-ordering. That's what pre-ordering is.
Okay, then. We're going to give you a free car if you pre-order, okay? That's all. My son just told me what to do. Okay. Yeah, like paste tap, whatever you say. Okay, so you got it?